How much should you actually spend on a portable carpet cleaner? You see some cheap options and some that cost a pretty penny. But which one is actually worth it? It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Bissell Little Green Mini. The Bissell Little Green Mini, priced at an attractive point given its compact size. It's lightweight at just 7 pounds, and its unique Hydro Rinse tool caught my attention for its self-cleaning feature. If you want an easy-to-store option that tackles pet messes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This cleaner is designed to tackle spills and pet stains, while also removing dander and pollen allergens. It's versatile enough to clean carpets, upholstery, and even your car interiors. Plus, it comes with a 4-inch tough stain tool and an 8-ounce Little Green formula, making it an all-in-one option for quick cleanups. With over 50,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clearly resonating with buyers. Now, some people complained about the tank size being a bit small for larger jobs. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly dealing with small spills or pet oxidants, this isn't a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space or have pets that create occasional messes. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty cleaner for large areas. For a compact cleaner, it offers great value. Now, if the Little Green Mini's tank size worried you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a larger capacity.
Product number 2, Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose. The Bissell Little Green Multi-Purpose Carpet Cleaner, priced at $94.99. This one caught my eye to its claim of being America's #1 brand in portable deep cleaning. If you're looking for something that can handle various messes, this is worth a serious look. The 48-ounce clean water tank means you can clean more without interruption, which is fantastic for busy households. With a scientifically proven formula that lifts over 100 common stains, and not only cleans, but eliminates odors too. That's essential if you have pets or kids. Plus, buyers have trusted it enough to purchase over 10,000 units in just the past month, giving it some solid credibility. Now, some reviews mention that it can be a bit bulky to maneuver, especially in tight spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on tackling larger areas and multiple stains, the size makes sense for the capacity. This is perfect for you if you have larger spaces or frequently deal with tough stains. Skip this one if you need something ultra compact. It's a great value for heavy-duty cleaning. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for pet owners.
Product number 3, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Vacuum. We have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. The price is currently not available, but this handheld vacuum is designed with pet owners in mind. If you're dealing with lots of pet hair, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner features a motorized brush tool specifically for removing embedded dirt and pet hair, which is a game changer for any pet parent. The cordless convenience means you can clean anywhere in your home or car without being tethered to a plug. The easy empty dirt bin simplifies the cleanup process, making it more efficient for tackling those little messes. With over 10,000 units sold last month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users found the battery life a bit short for larger cleaning tasks. Now, here's the thing, for quick cleanups around the house or car, it's still super effective, and the battery life is usually sufficient for those jobs. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need something portable for quick cleanups. Skip this one if you're looking for a full room cleaner. It's a solid investment for its convenience and effectiveness. Now, if the battery life was a concern, the next product offers a more powerful solution.
Product number 4, Bissell Little Green Max Pet. Let's check out the Bissell Little Green Max Pet Portable Cleaner, which is priced at $119.99. This one stands out with its superior suction, claiming to be 30% more powerful than competitors. If you have stubborn pet messes, this is worth a serious look. The instant and permanent pet stain removal feature is a huge plus, especially with its triple action Pet Pro Oxy formula. This cleaner is designed to tackle tough messes like muddy paw prints and pet oxidants effectively. The self-cleaning tough stain tool is another bonus, ensuring your tools stay clean. Over 4,000 units sold in the past month shows it's trusted by pet owners. However, a few reviews mention that it can be a bit heavy during use. Here's the thing though, if you're focused on getting the toughest stains out, the weight is justified by the power it delivers. This is perfect for you if you have multiple pets or frequent messes. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and easy to maneuver. It's worth the investment for its effectiveness.
Alright, that was a strong contender, but the last one on our list might just take cleaning to a whole new level.
Product number 5, Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam Multi-Purpose Portable Cleaner, priced at $169.99. This one really caught my attention with its hydro steam technology that promises up to 50% better cleaning. If you're serious about deep cleaning, this is worth a serious look. The 3 cleaning modes allow you to tackle tough, oily messes, refresh upholstery, and clean enzyme-based stains all with the same machine. Fast drying time of about 30 minutes is a nice touch, especially if you're cleaning fabric furniture. With a dual tank system, you won't mix clean and dirty water, which is essential for effective cleaning. It's sold over 3,000 times in the past month, showing its popularity. However, a few users pointed out that it's slightly heavier, which can be a hassle during longer cleaning sessions. But here's the thing, the results you get from this cleaner make that weight worthwhile, especially if you're dealing with tough stains. This is perfect for you if you want the best cleaning power and versatility. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option. For its performance, it's a solid investment.
To wrap it all up, the Bissell Little Green Mini is great for small spaces and quick cleanups, while the multi-purpose model shines for larger messes. The pet hair eraser is perfect for pet owners, and the Max Pet model packs serious power for stubborn stains. Lastly, the Hydro Steam offers the best deep cleaning performance. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs.